Hello, third officer here from Wheelhouse. Preparation for entering port. 15 miles left to the pilot station.
Hello, second engineer speaking here. Alright, info received, 50 miles left to the pilot position. Prepare for standby engine.
This is first engineer to engine room. The ship is approaching 50 miles to the pilot station. Number 2 generator is about to be started from control room. Please report the running condition.
Alright, 15 miles to port. Number 2 generator is about to be started from engine room.
Cadet, let's go. Okay. I'm starting number 2 generator now.
Cadet, the exhaust gas of the cylinder number 1 is rising a bit fast. Should be settled. Okay, so do I.
Hello, third officer here. I am putting steering motors into parallel running.
Hello, second engineer here. Alright, beginning parallel running of steering motor. Prepare engine room.
Steering motor are running in parallel. Please report the running condition.
Alright, steering gear are now running in parallel. Number 2 generator seems okay. Number 1 oiler, please do me a favor, check the steering gears please.
Oiler to third, okay, I will.
This is first engineer speaking. Alright, number 2 generator is in good order. I am starting parallel running of number 1 and number 2 generator.
I am putting number 1 and 2 generator into parallel running.
Stand by. Parallel running of number 1 and number 2 generator started.
Alright, parallel running of the generator number 1 and generator number 2.
Start number 2 main air compressor and start parallel running of main air compressor.
Okay, certainly, I will start a parallel running of main air compressor. Oiler come in, start number 2 main air compressor and start parallel running please. Make sure you operate the magnetic drain valves just in case.
Oiler to third, okay, I will.